the Hailemariam Roman Foundation HRF's commitment to Omo Valley pastoralist communities. The Hailemariam Roman Foundation HRF was established by the former Prime Minister of Ethiopia, His Excellency Mr. Hailemariam Desalegn, and the former First Lady of Ethiopia, Her Excellency Mrs. Roman Tesfaye, in April 2018 as a non-profit international NGO with a vision of seeing a healthy and economically empowered community in a well-conserved environment. HRF works across 4 interconnected thematic areas, each designed to uplift communities and strengthen resilience: maternal, neonatal and child health and nutrition, climate-smart conservation and ecotourism, youth and women economic empowerment, and agricultural transformation, food and nutrition security. Together, these pillars build a foundation to catalyze development players' interventions and inspire citizens to build healthy communities and develop a sustainable environment in support of socio-economic transformation in Ethiopia and the broader Africa. The maternal, neonatal, and child health and nutrition thematic area focuses on reducing maternal and child morbidity and mortality by integrating health and nutrition activities into existing community and national health systems. Through the thematic area, we reach over 50,000 people, including 44,000 women and 6,000 children, improving maternal, newborn, and child health in Benat Amai and Hammer districts of South Omo. In the past few years, over 100 health workers gained skills in emergency obstetric care, family planning, and newborn care. Health facilities were also strengthened with renovations, equipment, ambulances, and outreach services. Community-based health insurance was scaled up, community leaders were empowered, and contraceptive acceptance increased from 69% to 77%. Skilled birth attendance rose from 34% to 56% in Hammer and from 86% to 98% in Benat Amai, exceeding national targets. At the national level, HRF, with the Ministry of Health, co-implemented the Global Fund HIV project, training over 1,800 religious and community leaders. In climate-smart conservation and ecotourism thematic area, we focus on enhancing biodiversity, emphasizing climate change adaptation and mitigation through conservation, sustainable livelihoods, and ecotourism. The thematic area reaches over 68,000 people, improving sustainable livelihoods and biodiversity conservation in and around Lake Chamo catchment and Maze National Park. Among the critical milestones, we have established multi-stakeholder platforms, irrigation water users associations, and school environmental clubs to safeguard the socio-ecological integrity of the park's landscapes. We have also elected over 100 park ambassadors to educate communities and manage resources effectively. Through the thematic area, we have engaged over 3,000 people in alternate livelihoods around Netchasar and Maze national parks. The park's management now use smart digital patrols. Following HRF's interventions, wildlife is returning to Netchasar and Maze national parks, signaling a healthier ecosystem and renewed hope for biodiversity. In the Youth and Women Economic Empowerment thematic area, we work to reduce unemployment for youth and women by creating economic opportunities and promoting girls' education. More than 32,000 young people are targeted in youth self-employment in South Ethiopia Regions Project. Thousands of youth have strengthened their business skills, and more than 800 enterprises are now legally established. Over 3,000 young people have started their own small businesses using their savings, creating income and hope for their families. HRF promotes girls' education, supporting over 600 girls annually with tutorials and school supplies. Attendance has increased and academic performance has improved as a result. Our school meals program provides daily meals to over 3,500 students in 10 primary schools, increasing enrollment and attendance and creating jobs opportunities for 50 mothers. We also strengthen education systems through improved libraries, computer labs, and proactive support for government partners, ensuring better learning outcomes. In the agricultural transformation, food and nutrition security thematic area, we work to enhance agricultural productivity and value chain systems in pastoral and agro-pastoral communities. The project reaches over 300,000 people, of which 50% are women. In partnership with Makobu PLC, we have piloted conservation agriculture on 40 agro-pastoral plots and in 8 training centers in Hamar and Benaz-Amai districts of South Omo. The practice has doubled yields, encouraging a wider adoption of improved technologies in the communities. We have also improved coordination among government, NGOs, and private sector actors across 125 village administrations, boosting crop and livestock production, and raising awareness of gender-related issues. Thanks to our partners and stakeholders, we are making remarkable impact in the lives of communities across the Omo Valley. But across the Omo Valley, the challenges remain deep, and our contribution is only the beginning. With your partnership, the Hailemariam Roman Foundation will continue reaching the most remote and underserved communities.